Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the theme of your presentation on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now select a presentation that you have created from your home page by clicking on this home icon down below. This is the first option, and tap on your presentation that you would like to change the theme of. All you have to do is tapping on this icon at the top of the screen, indicated with the letter A and the image of a pencil. Now you should tap on the home icon in the middle of the screen and tap on design. Here click on themes, and as you can see there are all of the themes that you can choose from. So click on the one that you would like to change it for. Now as you can see, you have completely changed the theme of your whole presentation. So feel free to change it for anything else at any time you feel like to do so. So now your presentation is ready to be saved by clicking on the done icon in the upper left corner of the screen. So now it has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.